The Food Service Exchange presents.
You are now one step closer to enjoying your Crown Verity outdoor kitchen. Now that you've moved the product to the installation site, it's time to start setting up. Ensure the location is at least 3.5 inches from a non-combustible wall. If placing near a fence or vinyl siding, consult the owner's manual for the recommended distance to those surfaces. Also, avoid placing the grill in an area where strong wind would typically hit the rear side of the unit. Instead, find a calmer spot or install a windscreen nearby. Now, start by adjusting and leveling a main component, typically the grill or other four-legged unit such as a fridge, by adjusting the leveling legs. Additional components will be attached to the grill and leveled individually as they're installed. As you start to add, it's important to note that connecting brackets and mounting hardware come pre-installed, so no need to search. They're right where you need them. Now, start lining up the bracket from one component with the lip of the next. Level and replace the hardware into the slotted mounting holes. Repeat this process for each additional element, making sure wires between the units aren't getting pinched. Depending on the slope of the installation surface, you may need to make some leveling adjustments throughout the setup process and again at the end. To complete the attachment process, remove the face so you can fasten the included connector bolts to the front. To do this, remove the knobs and lift up on the face. Unhook wires, and now you are ready to attach the fastening bolts from one component to the next. Now, repeat these steps for multiple components using the provided bolts. Fasten the components on the rear side as well. You can remove protective paper throughout the setup process. If not removed, it will adhere to the surface once heated, so removing now from connecting surfaces is best, as they are still easy to reach. Next, replace the face of the components you removed earlier. Now, the deflector tray under the grill, followed by the grease tray. And now onto the doors. Each door hinge comes equipped with adjustment screws. Turn the screws all the way in to expose the installation hook. There are 2 receivers on the inside. Attach the bolt first, push to snap it on, and then make any necessary adjustments to the screws. Now, replace the drawers you removed at the beginning. Start by pushing forward on the soft close mechanism so that the spring is visible. Now, connect the drawer with the receiver forward and slide in. Next, using wire snips or scissors, remove any remaining ties on the grill. As a 2-person team, replace the dome by sliding from front to back and insert the pins. At this point, you can remove any remaining protective paper. You are now one step closer to enjoying your Crown Verity outdoor kitchen. In the next video, we'll connect to a gas line and replace the back panels.